I apologize for the quality of this recording, but I can't find my headphones and we need to get this done for you guys so that you have complete study guide solutions for the exam. So let's begin. So page 1, let's just run through these questions. What is force? So force, which of these is true? Force is not the acceleration of the object. Force is not a type of weight. That doesn't even make sense. It's just a distractor. Force is not dependent on the displacement of the object, and it is not dependent on how much mass the object has, even though we have the equation F equals ma, where this is the sum of the forces. In fact, the definition of a force is it's a push or a pull. Now, when forces are unbalanced, what that means is it does not. There's actually a couple choices here that work. First of all, forces are equal. That doesn't make sense. The forces do not cancel. They do not add to 0. And it does not mean that there's a net force and the object will be at rest. If there's a net force, the forces are unbalanced. And what that means is that there will be a net force making the object speed up, slow down, or change direction. Another word for this, by the way, is acceleration. Just so you know. Now, why does a moving object eventually slide to rest on a table? This is absolutely not true, even though that's the intuition we walk into physics class with. There is no natural tendency to come to rest. Normal force and gravity, they can't possibly act to slow it down because they're not in the direction of the motion. The inertia of the object, well, inertia is the same as mass, so that's not going to work either. So this idea of force or pushing motion wearing off, that's another fallacy. Really, it's only the force of friction. And the last question on this page, what is the normal force? Which of the following? Tension, no. Gravity, no. That's weight. Spring, no. Magnets, we've never talked about that. The force caused by the ground is one type of normal force that we see acting on an object.